il essaie de parler anglais. Man.
No, I'm not trying. I'm talking English.
Oh,
Because I
man,
want
please,
to.
please, shut up. You are the best accent French everywhere. Listen.
Your fucking Russian accent, bro. Please stop it.
The best
Just
accent.
wait for maybe 5 minutes. That's the
Ukrainian,
time that
Ukrainian.
the match end, and I will go downstairs to because my bottles are empty.
My bean is empty, shut up. Ma
Oh,
poubelle est
your
vide.
couilles are empty.
My bean.
Ton bill.
Bean, qui veut dire poubelle. Sinon j'aurais dit Ben.
Yes, but Ben is always empty. Vamos, Barcelona qui s'impose 1-0 contre Mallorca. C'est c'est loin, 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 loin d'être volé. Allez, je reviens, je rentre sur une bouteille d'eau. Parce que j'ai soif.
Previously
Quand
on
on
The
a
Walking
soif,
Dead.
T'as raison, je
bois.
vais boire.
Voilà, mes pauses et j'arrive.
Allô? Mathis? Bah, c'est précédemment. Je rigole. Petit pack dans Pokémon. J'ouvre un pack. Aspicote, Poussacha, Maishin et la carte mythique. Poussacha, Maconier 3 étoiles. Ouf. J'ai envie d'aller de ce jeu. Bah, tu sais, il est parti se branler dans ça. Ouais. Qu'il laisse faire foutre aussi. Allez hop. J'étais arrivé à 400 tout ça pour troll.
Alhamdoulilah, allez go, c'est parti.
Putain, attends.
Tu joues contre un Iranien. Tu gagnes pas, la honte, elle est sur toi.
Non, ils ont l'avantage, ils ont l'avantage.
L'avantage de quoi? Tu parles en connaissance de cause. Nous, c'est la cause à eux, c'est des comiques. T'es con, quoi? Ah oui, non, ok. Pardon. Ouh,
Ouh, il a pas vu, il a pas vu, il a pas vu.
ouh, il
Ouh.
t'a niqué.
Non, je crois
Ouh.
que j'ai fait le meilleur échange. Ouh. Oh, le
Il
plus
est con,
con.
quoi. Oh, lui.
Échec. T'inquiète, c'est donné, c'est donné.
Ton.
Mon fou, il est trop. Lui, il veut baiser qui, il se trompe du cul.
Petit fils de pute.
Je suis tranquille là.
Oui.
Je m'en bats, il veut mettre un coup de pression à qui?
Il est vraiment con.
Non! Attends,
Il est con, il est encore plus con.
je suis encore plus con que lui. Échec.
Non, ah, non.
Eh oui, c'est pas du.
Content, c'est le printemps. Aujourd'hui, j'ai rien à faire. Quelle aubaine, jolie peine. Je marche le meilleur moyen.
Voilà, tellement gosse, tellement fort, tellement sexuel, tellement. Allez.
You don't have to fill his
Pris
cup
soin
up
d'amour.
anymore, baby.
La grand-mère
Grandpa is
est mort.
sleeping.
Oula, mais
Papy?
putain, là,
No,
on a
Yaya.
fait ça, frère.
Oh, mais c'est pris soin
Ah
d'amour.
oui, ok.
People's awake.
Pardon, Sergio, là.
Solamente está confundido.
Mama,
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Par contre, attends. Tout à l'heure, quand j'étais à la salle, enfin, je sais plus où j'étais, j'ai cogité vite fait, je t'en ai pas parlé à la salle, j'ai oublié. Vu que le chef de la Nouvelle Frontière, c'est notre frère.
Hmm.
Notre frère bien-aimé qui a une fille. Cette fille a été tuée par un mec de la Nouvelle Frontière.
Ouais.
Et, sauf que la Nouvelle Frontière déteste un peu Clémentine.
Ouais.
Clémentine, notre fille. Donc, on va se mettre contre son ref. On va buter notre ref.
Ah, mais clairement.
Et on va
S'il
choper sa
accepte
meuf.
pas Clémentine,
Et on va
s'il
choper sa
accepte
nana en
pas
plus.
Clémentine, frérot,
Allez.
s'il n'accepte pas Clémentine, on va le tège.
hey!
Ouais, voilà.
Frère par frère, on s'en branle. T'as plus de frères dans
Lui, tu vois, on
que
était un
Clémentine.
bon de baiser. J'espère qu'il nous
Oh non,
recroise.
mais son mec de tiens, t'es mal tatouage.
Oui, c'est un mec de la Nouvelle Frontière. Et j'espère lui, il nous recroise, il fait le mec bon avec nous.
Put your hands up and close your eyes.
Comment on peut le faire?
Et j'espère on le recroise. Et là, il fait Oh, it's you. Oh. Par contre, Jésus,
Thanks.
Paul.
Maury!
Oh! Shit!
Ça
Kate!
déconne.
I have
Attends, tu la film, j'ai oublié. Ils ont shoot aussi sa femme.
Ouais.
Ah,
to stay
c'est
with my
singe.
family.
Go! I'll hold him off.
Ils ont fait tuer le petit frère.
I said go!
Ah, Clémentine, elle est vraiment gotée. cette meuf.
Hey, what do we call you?
Sorry,
Regarde,
forgot to
regarde.
introduce myself.
Déjà, j'ai oublié de me présenter. Et quand il va se
It's
retourner,
Paul,
c'est demain,
but my friends call me
ils étaient
Jesus.
séparés, genre.
D'accord.
C'est sûr que c'était un bug d'affichage comme Clémentine K-pop.
I fucking knew it.
You're one of them?
You're goddamn right she is.
Bon, lui, on l'a
Bon,
tué
bon,
vraiment pour rien.
If you want to shoot me,
Ouais, mais
shoot
il
me.
menace Clémentine, donc
How about I shoot your little boyfriend here instead?
Holy shit!
On a menti au patron en disant ouais, il s'est fait mordre. On a
de toute façon,
menti.
ça va rien.
Ça servait à rien, sa femme elle est morte, il a plus rien à faire de ça. C'était pas un Mike ou un Lee.
What the hell's going on
Le
out
mec
here?
qui nous a trahi quand même.
Ouais, quel enculé.
Oh my god.
Regarde un peu par terre s'il te plaît, regarde. Au lieu de regarder ta pendant.
T'as pas baissé assez les yeux là, je crois. Il y a un truc encore plus proche.
J'ai envie de voir ce qui va se passer. Ces séries de jeux s'adaptent au choix que vous faites. L'histoire est déterminée par votre façon de jouer. J'ai hâte de voir. Mais là, j'ai trop envie de voir ce qui se passe là. se fait fouetter le cul, y a quoi.
Et icon de ouf.
I hate being out so close to dark. It's harder to see them coming.
We're just gonna get that propane and then come right back.
I saw it in that pickup truck parked down the road a little, in front of the Wallace's house.
C'est vrai que
Ah,
sortir
bah,
tard,
I just wish
c'est pas un
there
truc
was
fou.
an easier way to get it, and that we didn't have to risk life and limb every damn day for food and water and gas for the stove.
Nothing's easy anymore, Kate. But that doesn't mean we don't have to try.
I know. It's just hard to get used to. That's all.
We get over there, we grab the
Non, vu que maintenant le ref il est en vie, on sait qu'il faut éviter le contrarié dans le passé.
we get the hell back home. If we're lucky,
On était
we
sûr,
won't
on est au
see a
moins.
single one of those things.
On est
Non
dans
mais
le
là,
passé, genre.
là c'est les zombies, là
On
c'est...
est pas dans... Là, justement, on est pas dans le futur.
Non, on est dans le passé, de baiser.
There it is.
Et pourquoi dès qu'il y a les zombies et tout, il y a une brume verte le soir dans la
Let's
vallée?
take
Pas
it and
enculé.
go.
C'est à moi de jouer.
Empty.
Du gaz. Bah alors, on peut se passer à la salle.
Kidding me.
Il est vide,
Bon, même s'il est vide, je te jure que jamais je jetterai un truc comme ça. T'es fou, quoi.
je le pose
Of
avec
course it's empty. Why would we get that lucky?
Hey, keep it down. I know it sucks, Kate, but you gotta watch out.
I'm sorry.
Tu sais, j'aurais trop peur qu'il y ait un
I'm
zombie
just
sous la
sick
voiture.
of this shit. I
Ouais.
just thought this one time we deserve to
Encore
catch
mieux,
a
ça se voit.
fucking break.
Est-ce que la strat c'est porter des protèges tibias sur... Enfin, tu m'as capté les protèges tibias, mais genre un truc en maille au niveau des avant-bras. Parce que c'est souvent cette partie-là qu'on se fait mordre.
Pas forcément.
Je m'étouffe.
Kate,
Oh,
you're a
le gamin
hammer
de merde.
now!
Oh god. That's
Ah, c'est pas les couilles. Finis-le au pied, finis-le au pied. Non, en vrai, je pense les 2-3 premiers zombies, les 5 premiers zombies, t'es un peu choqué. À partir du 5ème, tu
sorry.
dois t'en battre les couilles.
I was just so fucking scared.
You froze. It's okay.
I wanted to kill it. I really did, but I know him. That was one of Gabe's friends.
Ça va les
True.
couilles.
He was so sweet.
Alors, de une, de Gabi, je m'en bats
Ça
les
peut être
couilles,
comme
mais
ça,
alors
les
de
That's
son
not
collègue.
true anymore. I know it still looks like him, but the kid you knew, he's gone. All that's left is this thing.
Mais là, dis-toi,
I don't even
elle fait la
know
meuf
what to
choquée,
call
elle n'a pas
them.
connu un quart de ce que Clémentine a vécu.
If they're not
Je te jure.
people, if they're just the dead, muertos.
That's what we'll call them.
Rappelez les Molotov, par pitié, ça pue sa mère.
I thought we were gonna die. I thought Gabe and Mariana were just gonna wake up and we would just be gone. When it was
On a
on you,
passé.
I'm right here, okay? I'm here. You're here. We're still alive. That's what matters.
Oui, mais après, dire je suis là pour toi, c'est pas on a envie de crac boum boum, par pitié, arrêtez de faire les.
can we
Soyez
go back
explicite,
now?
mettez j'ai envie de la baiser, ça va plus vite. Ouais, c'est à nous de comprendre que je suis là pour toi veut dire un truc. Non, je suis là pour toi, gros, c'est la meuf, c'est la femme de mon frère, je suis là pour toi au cas où. C'est déjà, je suis là, tu vois.
Déjà, moi, je veux voir son frère, là. Qu'est-ce qu'il va faire, du coup? Il nous laisse rentrer, il tue ses
Ah, mais
hommes, il fait
il
quoi?
est pas revenu, lui, il est parti amener la grand-mère à l'hôpital, il a dû vivre un truc de baiser, lui.
Bah ouais, frère.
I know we all wanted to stay here in the house and wait for David to come back.
Voilà, c'est
But
ça.
it's been 3 months since he drove away with
Ah,
your
tu vois.
mom.
What are you saying?
We're not safe here. Not anymore. You and I could have been killed out there. For an empty can. There's gotta be a safer place out there.
Nous sommes en sécurité nulle
What
part.
makes you think it's gonna be better anywhere else?
Comme ça, si on doit partir du refuge, et le frère il est un peu énervé contre nous, tu vois, parce qu'on va se retrouver, tu vois, on a retrouvé le frère, tu vois. Et s'il dit, mais pourquoi vous êtes partis et tout, ben ça sera sa femme qui
Everything
prendra,
and
pas nous.
everyone
Voilà,
outside
on
this
s'en
door
bat les couilles, c'est bon.
is dead.
Exactly. How long until one of those things gets in? We stay. Somebody's going to get hurt. Or worse.
You really think the kids are gonna be happy with this plan?
The kids will understand. And if they don't, we'll just make them see it our way. We have to go.
How come? What if I don't want to leave?
Ils ont vraiment grandi.
Gabe.
We're safe inside the house. And I bet we can find more food in the neighborhood if we just look harder.
We're tired of being afraid. Every time we leave you guys alone. And it's just getting worse out there. Better to leave now. While we still can.
What about Dad? What's he gonna think if he shows up and we just ditched him? We might never find him again.
We have to look out for ourselves now, Gabe. I wish things were different, but our safety's
Faut
more
pas que je,
important.
il
But
faut
we're
pas que
safe
je dise que
here.
David est mort.
No. We're not.
I'm
Allô?
sorry, Gabe.
Ouais.
But
Faut pas qu'on dise que David est mort.
Harvey's
Je pense que c'est
right.
une pire.
How about
Ouais.
you guys go and I stay here?
you're a kid. That's not how it works.
I can take care of myself. If I need any help, I'll just ask my friends.
Ah, arrête de me faire le mec, toi là, tu casses les couilles là.
Honey,
On dirait Carl dans la vraie série, frère, je vais le baiser.
What? What's wrong with her? Why's she acting so weird? Uncle
On
Harvey?
a vu quelqu'un, c'est
She's
bon, faut
sad.
choquer le fils.
Because when we were out, we saw your friend, Drew. But it wasn't exactly him anymore.
You mean he was one of them?
we're so
Eh oui.
sorry, Gabe.
Ça, je l'aimais pas.
Franchement,
So
ouais.
you understand why, don't you? Why we have to leave? If that
Bon,
happened to you,
tu trouveras une nouvelle copine.
I
parce que
couldn't
Clémentine,
bear
elle est
it.
gentille, elle meurt pas. Toi, Mariana, faut que je te
When
spoil un
do we
truc.
have
T'es
to
morte.
Elle est
go?
gentille.
T'es morte, Mariana, faut que je te spoil.
Tomorrow, as soon as it's daylight.
I want to leave him a note.
I'll help you get started. Okay?
What are we gonna tell him? I want to say something good.
Je sais pas. On le retrouvera, on retrouvera. Je sais pas de qui
Something
il
that
parle.
won't
mais-
make him sad.
Ah, son daron.
Tell him we'll find him. Somehow. We're all gonna see each other again.
I like that. I'm gonna write it
Ouais,
right
comme
now.
ça, va dehors,
we
on va
don't
voir si
forget.
t'aimes toujours.
Of course.
I'll help him. Thank you. Really.
Toi, surtout profite de ta vie, hein, parce qu'elle va être un peu moins longue que les autres. Telltale Prisons.
Star Marines.
Bon, allez, là, il fait quoi le gros rince là? David, il fait quoi?
We have to move somewhere else. I don't know where, but Kate say.
On
let's
doit
say.
bouger autre
Ouais,
part,
j'ai
je sais
compris,
pas
en
où.
gros, je sais, puisque en gros, Kate elle a dit qu'on est plus safe ici.
Moi, je la bouge la poupée.
Mais elle peut pas se transformer, t'inquiète pas.
Moi, je fais plus que ça. Voilà. Mais non, prends la batte de baseball, on s'en fout de la balle.
Mais non, mais elle se remémore les uns quand il joue avec son petit rêve.
Il n'y a pas de souvenir.
Y a pas de souvenir, y a pas de blabla, y a que de. Ah, il prend même pas la batte.
On prend un couteau. Oh putain, le couteau là, lui il m'intéresse.
Ah, j'ai mangé une première fois crème brûlée là tout à l'heure dans un pot yaourt là, c'était dégueulasse. Alors que la poutine, ah, je te laisse pas deviner comment ça a l'air dégueulasse. Merde.
Allez. Grimpe.
On
Eh,
avait
sois
dit,
pas conne, te mets pas au premier truc.
On avait dit
Casse les
demain
couilles à ton
on avait
frère,
pas
là.
dit dans la journée.
Si, mais t'inquiète.
C'est quoi ce vieux photomontage à gauche là, la photo? En gros, c'est pour dire qu'il tourne la page.
Allez. Voilà, merci.
Dad?
Javi! Is that really you?
Eh non, non, connard, c'est un
Ouais, je vais
clone.
dire ça, je vais dire.
I always hoped I'd
Je te
find you.
croyais mort.
I thought you were dead, man. I thought you'd been dead for a long time.
No such luck.
Pas de chance.
I knew you were still alive. I knew it.
Mais ils sont cons quoi.
Hey, weapons down! This is my family!
Ah, il a
You
trop
gotta
la
let
haine
Sid.
lui au bonnet.
Kate doesn't have
Elle
much
est en
longer.
train de comprendre.
Jesus. Kate!
David?
I'm here, honey. I'm
Enfin,
right
tu
here.
comprends.
What the
Enfin.
hell happened?
She's been shot. We got the bullet out, but she's still bleeding. We need your doctor. Now, David.
What the fuck is she on the ground for? She's barely got a pulse.
Je ne voyais pas ce qu'il y avait de mal. Ne me parle pas comme ça.
Le mec, ce connard m'a dit de le faire.
Ah,
He said
On
we had
balance,
to
on
kneel.
balance.
I couldn't hold on to her.
The fuck you trying to prove, Max?
They're outsiders, David. It's what we do with everybody.
She's coming inside!
But she hasn't been checked.
Fuck that! This is my wife!
I didn't know. Honest.
She's going to the hospital, now!
ce vieux.
Our
Ce
doctor's
vieux
gonna help you,
poirier
honey.
du Rhin.
I'm gonna make sure of it.
Wait, I'm going with you.
Et nous, on va se faire foutre.
Sorry, but the rest of you have to go straight to quarantine.
What for?
Ah,
All
si c'est
newcomers
juste ça.
get checked for bites, and they all have to answer a couple of questions.
Non, en vrai, si
Our
c'est
doctor
juste ça, en
will
vrai
clear
de
the
vrai,
two
je
of
comprends.
them,
Ouais, ouais.
but the rest of you have to come with me to the quarantine holding
Finissons-en.
Je suis le frère de David.
area.
Je suis le frère de David.
Don't you get it? I'm David's brother. I'm going to the hospital with them.
We have procedures here, procedures that have to be followed, even if you are related to David.
Man, this is bullshit.
Come on.
David, appelle
The
David.
sooner you come along, the sooner we can get you cleared.
Hey, David!
Attends, il s'en bat les couilles de nous.
Let's go.
Mais c'est vrai, il s'en bat un
Oh
peu les
là
couilles de nous.
là. Tu savais ce qu'on a fait à ta meuf, hein?
Je te croyais mort, mais c'est un truc qui... Normalement, c'est gentil, genre, dire ça. Je te croyais mort. Alors, quand c'est à la fin du monde, ça fait 8 mois, ça fait 3 ans que t'as pas vu ton collègue, dans ton ref, parce que vous êtes séparés dès le début, je te croyais mort.
Oh God, Eleanor!
Putain, j'avais zappé elle.
When we found the car without you in it, I didn't know what to think.
The engine up and died. I came here looking for help, and this happened. I've been so worried
Pourquoi
about
on est
Kate.
mis là?
I
Je
told
comprends
them
pas.
she needed a doctor.
On est en quarantaine.
They promised me someone would look into it. Please, tell me
Elle
they
sait,
found
sait.
her.
You thought these people would give a shit about some stranger dying in their driveway.
I don't know, Javi. They knew she was dying.
Well, at least those assholes realized she needed a hospital once they saw her.
I'm sorry, Javi. Really, but
Bah,
I
tu peux rien
didn't
quand
have
t'as
any
rien dit.
reason not to believe them. What?
The people here in Richmond, they're New Frontier.
Oh my god.
Oh, you ain't even heard the worst
Mais
part
attends,
yet.
attendez, par
One
contre.
of them's his brother.
Mais attendez, attends,
I didn't even know you had a brother, Bobby.
c'est un choc pour moi aussi. C'est un choc.
Hey,
Choc.
nobody's more surprised than me. I thought the guy was dead. We haven't seen David in years. It's just been me, Kate, and the kids this whole time.
I don't even want to think about what the odds are, but he did seem pretty damn surprised to see you.
Whoever this guy is, he can't be all bad, right? I mean, he helped Kate and her down here.
Of course he brought her inside. She's his damn wife.
You're kidding. Kate is married to your brother? The way you two acted around each other,
Hein?
I just didn't think
Il plaisante pas, il plaisante pas, il plaisante pas.
she
Non,
had a
sinon ça va faire
husband
des
out
stars.
C'est compliqué? Écoute,
Ouais, non, il plaisante pas, plaisante pas.
there, is all.
The only reason I know Kate is because she married David. I was the best man at their wedding.
Wow. Okay.
Family drama aside, hope you know I'm not about to make nice with New Frontier. I know you didn't have much stake in Prescott.
on devra choisir notre camp.
But they
Oh,
burned that place to the ground for no fucking
Ouais, tout le
reason.
respect, on prendra celui
After
où il y a
everything you
Clément.
folks told me, I'm guessing
fout
I'm not
lequel,
gonna
mais-
find my people alive.
Hell, Javi. They killed your niece. Shot Kate. For all we know, your brother could have been behind it.
Je crois que t'as pas
Bah,
compris
après, Magnus,
Even if it wasn't his
c'était sa fille
idea in
aussi,
the
quand même.
first place, if he knew about it and didn't stop it, that
J'ai
shit
pas vu l'action.
can't stay.
Je sais pas, mais c'est une sacrée accusation.
That's one hell of an accusation. Saying he had his own family shot? You really believe he'd do something like that? After seeing how he was with Kate?
Could be he was just putting on a show for us.
That's crazy.
Non, non.
What was he like when you knew? You guys get along? He seemed happy enough to see you.
C'est un type
Il
compliqué.
était pas bien méchant, pas bien méchant, pas bien méchant.
No matter what he might show to other people, he's got a good heart. Might be buried under a ton of shit, but it's in there.
Well, let's just hope he's the same guy you remember. If your brother knew anything about what happened in Prescott, he's got to answer for it. They all do. I owe you, Conrad. I'm not just gonna let things slide.
Ah, Conrad, on l'a tué. Hein.
I've never really been
On l'a
an
tué.
eye for
Conrad, c'est qui déjà?
C'est le mec
Ah,
qu'on a
c'est le
tué.
renard. Ah, t'inquiète.
Essaye
my
de
kind of
jouer.
man.
Laisse-moi gagner du temps.
But
Laisse-moi gagner.
people died. We need to even out the scales.
We need to look like we're playing along with their rules. Go along with what they say. For now. Then, when the time is right, that's when we demand justice.
Hey,
C'est
Hey.
bien.
I would have been here sooner, but I had to take care of
C'est bien plus. Je serais venu plus tôt. J'ai réglé une affaire.
something.
Quelle affaire?
Come on already. Kate's asking for you. Maybe you think it's okay to keep a lady
C'est
waiting.
un ordre.
Mes amis, mes amis, mes amis, mes amis, mes amis.
Ah ouais.
What about the rest of my friends?
They're not invited.
Ah.
Hurry up now.
Looks like the
That's a rule.
rules don't apply to everyone, huh?
That's right. Some people get out of here early. Others stay a long fucking time.
Trip. Just drop it, okay?
Ah putain, c'est un nouveau.
Smart cookie
C'est
this
un
one.
nouveau Daron du
Javi,
Lily versus Kenny.
Just go.
Vraiment.
I'll put in a good word for you, okay? See if we can't hurry the process along a bit.
Thanks.
Ah, j'aurais tellement fait un bisou sur ma bouche en faisant See you later. Ah, par contre,
L'hospitalité du Sud.
il commence un peu à casser les couilles le ref. Hein. Il commence à casser les couilles.
Ouais.
Bien aimé,
Fais confiance un peu.
j'aurais bien aimé Kate. Moi je pense, hein. S'il y a la moindre occasion de poucave, ce qu'ils ont fait à Mariana, on poucave sans hésiter.
Bien sûr.
Go along with them for now.
On va foutre la
Doesn't
merde dans
sound
son
good.
bail, frérot. T'as pas compris.
Ah, il a
We have a
entendu ce qu'on a dit.
process. Our own way of doing things. Your guys better not have a problem with that. Things don't go well for troublemakers here.
C'est un
I
problème,
hope that's
David.
clear.
Ouais.
Ne t'inquiète
No
pas. pour eux.
problem. You won't have to worry about them.
Didn't sound that way.
They just need time to get used to things.
I hope you're right. Come on.
En fait, du frontière,
Where
ça a
are
un
we
truc
going?
carré.
Kate asked for you. I thought you'd want to check on
Ouais,
her.
c'est une ville, quoi.
Listen, Javi, Gabe. He told me some pretty messed up things.
Des choses horribles.
Things I need your help wrapping my head around.
Tout est vrai à propos de Kate et moi? Mathis. Mathis.
Je sais pas, mais là, je pense dans la merde.
Je voulais t'en parler. Je voulais t'en parler moi-même. Il a dit il a vu des choses horribles. Mais il a vu quoi horrible? Je voulais t'en parler moi-même.
Comme tu veux.
Mais attends, mais en fait, il veut parler de quoi? C'est ça. Moi, j'ai envie de parler des mecs que j'ai tués, tu vois. De Mariana, tu vois. J'ai pas envie de parler de ce qui se passait entre moi et Kate. Moi, je pense qu'il faut dire, je voulais t'en parler moi-même. Ouais.
He shouldn't have done that. wanted to tell you myself.
Bad news is bad news. Who cares who delivers it? He told me you lost Mariana
Perdu Mariana. Ah voilà.
just a few days ago.
Non, non, on n'a pas perdu Mariana.
I'm sorry, David. She's gone.
Il faudra dire à cause de qui, hein, au bout d'un moment. Putain, t'es... Pour parler, t'es pas...
It's strange grieving for the same person twice. Like losing something you didn't know you had. What was she like, Javi? She was so little when we got separated. Who did my little girl become?
Mariana saw
Casser les
things
couilles en vrai.
that other people didn't. She
Écoutez, je lui parlais pas en vrai.
she told me she wanted to write down her memories to keep them alive after she was gone.
Sounds like her. Always was a dreamer. How did she die?
Aïe.
Tell me how it
Alors,
happened.
elle n'a pas souffert, c'était insensé, elle a reçu une balle dans la tête.
Ah ouais, c'est
Please,
Ça-
I need to know.
She was just standing there, minding her own business. She just found her lost headphones in the dirt. She was smiling. And then someone put a bullet in her head.
What
Demande-
kind of animal would
demande
just
who?
open fire on her like that?
An animal with your mark.
My people aren't in the habit of killing little
Voilà.
girls.
David, I
La
was
tête de ma
there.
mère, c'est vrai.
They shot Kate too. Ask your buddy at the gate if you don't believe me.
Max was a part of this?
Ah, tu te sens
Non,
con, hein.
non, non, lui il a pas participé lui.
Fuck.
Non, lui, regretté, mais c'est l'autre là, putain.
Son
I
collègue
need
à côté.
details. What the hell
Le
went
chien
down
avec
out
la
there?
barbe de ouf.
I need to know exactly
On nous
what
a tendu
happened.
une embuscade, on m'a kidnappé.
Bah, on m'a kidnappé, hein.
Ils ont tué un otage.
Enfin, les deux en soi, les deux, bah, les deux
Les
ils ont tout
trois,
fait, en fait.
ils ont tout fait, ils ont tout fait. Tout ce que tu dis là, ils ont fait.
C'est la totale.
Ils ont tué un otage, je pense qu'ils sont pas un peu libres. On m'a kidnappé.
Bastards knocked me out and threw me in their truck. I got away near this town, Prescott. The same assholes attacked us there. Their leader flooded it with walkers and tear gas.
Leader?
A crazy bald guy with a beard.
Voilà.
Badger. What the fuck have you done now?
Badger, alors je connais pas Badger,
I'm
mais
gonna handle that stupid son of a bitch, okay?
appelle-moi pour le baiser.
Do me a
Voilà,
favor.
merci.
Keep this to yourself. The politics here, they can get messy.
I thought you were the boss.
There's 4 of us that run Richmond. You need to impress the other 3. Or you'll be back on the road by morning.
Ils sont 4, ça change tout. On peut faire une
Try
big
not to stir
alliance.
things up.
On peut faire notre grand ref, Kate, les mecs de Privote et enculer les deux
Qu'est-ce que
autres.
tu me diras?
Ah, bien vu, parce que je...
I can be impressive when I try. I'll follow your lead.
Just don't get cute. I run security here, but it's not like my word is law.
Ah, lui,
And
c'est
shit with
sécurité,
Badger
mais
doesn't
voilà.
make things any easier.
Non, me dis pas Badger, c'est...
Who's the fresh
Ouais,
meat?
mais on la connaît.
Ava, this is my
Oui,
brother,
Clémentine.
Javi.
The baseball brother? No shit. What are the chances of you turning up on the doorstep? Welcome to civilization.
Baseball's long
Ah,
gone.
c'était un pro baseball.
Just regular old survivor brother now.
From what I hear, there's nothing regular
Le
about you.
structure, c'est le genre de dialogue, ça ressemble bon. Ouais,
Ava's my right
enchanté,
hand. If there's anyone you can trust in Richmond, it's her.
Elle est le bras droit, on n'oublie pas ce qu'elle a dit à Clémentine.
Elle a dit quoi déjà?
Elle a dit, si on se recroise, je te donnerai une belle chandelle. En mode, si t'as Heja, je viens t'aider.
C'est Hadja.
Heja. Si t'as le Hej.
Hadj.
Oh,
On te voit pas, ça sert à rien de.
That woman, the fucking soldier.
j'y crois.
She was the first person I met up with after you and me got separated. I never would have made it without her. Gabe said you went back to the house. At the start. I'm sorry I never found you.
C'est bon, on est là maintenant.
Ouais, on s'en fout.
It doesn't matter now. We found each other in the end.
It matters to me. Mama and I got routed out of the city on the way to the hospital. It wasn't long before she...
Poor Mama.
I couldn't get back into Baltimore, so I hooked up with my old unit. We thought we could build a safe zone outside D.C. After what happened to Mama and everyone else, I thought you were all dead. But you were taking care of them, weren't you?
Ce qui est drôle, c'est que lui,
Somehow you
il a baisé
found a
Dead
way.
Note.
I'm not gonna lie.
On forme
I
une
never
équipe.
thought you had it in you.
Tu imagines, il a baisé
We
une
took
autre
care
meuf.
of each other.
C'est la blague de l'année.
We all had each other's backs.
Il a
You've
baisé
changed,
plein les
brother.
meufs, gros.
Took the end of the world, but you finally grew up. This is where they're treating Kate. Don't get comfortable. We're not staying long.
Ne prends pas tes aises, on ne reste pas longtemps.
Hey!
Hey, kid. Got everything you need?
Yeah. This place is like a resort. Check it out, Javi. Noodles in a cup.
We need to get you some real food. Stat. Turn you into a soldier.
Javi, I'm glad you're okay.
Mais elle a des abdos en fait.
Plus que moi.
Bien maintenant, je vais toujours bien.
You know me. I'm always okay.
Damn, it's good to have you back. Look at this family. Look at my wife. Isn't she the
Il
most
s'en bat
attractive
les
woman
couilles.
alive?
Moi aussi je peux avoir le bisou. Moi aussi je peux avoir
Come
le bisou.
on. With the lights off, you could mistake me
Tu as
for
de la
a
chance.
walker.
You're a lucky man, David.
We're all lucky.
Ah!
What, you okay?
Ah, my...
Shit. I'll get the doc.
Elle a bluff, elle a bluffé, elle a bluffé.
I'm fine. I just needed to talk to you, alone.
C'était... Moi je connais les femmes, je sais comment elles
Scared,
parlent.
Javi, more than I was the whole time on the road. Even when I thought I was going to die, everything inside me screams to get away from here.
Hein?
These people are killers. And David?
On va faire ça avec...
David threw his own brother in a cell.
Let's just get you better, Kate. The facility's here.
I don't care about facilities. We did fine without them before.
You didn't have a ruptured spleen before.
These people nearly killed me, Javi. David's people.
Ah ouais, elle
Have
doit
you
plus aimer.
forgotten, Mari?
Of course not.
It's always been you and me on the road, Javi. That's how we've made it this far. Please, promise me we'll go back to that the first chance we get. This place, it's a cage.
Et David.
I hear you, Kate, but we can't just turn our backs on this place. On my brother.
Javi.
We have to try to make it work.
I used to say that about my fucked up marriage. Guess it still applies. Whatever. Just, please. Please don't leave me alone for too long.
Je dois retourner en prison malheureusement.
Feeling better?
How you doing, sweetheart? David reported some pain.
It's less now.
Strange how it just comes and goes.
I think she pulled her stitches when she sat up.
Her stitches?
I doubt it. But pain often comes in waves with abdominal wounds. I'll give you something to take the edge off, in case it comes back. Truly superlative work. I thought I'd have to operate, but all she needed was IV fluids and some antibiotics. How did you find someone with skills like these?
C'est la meuf.
Wound like this kills 9 out of 10.
Elle est enfermée.
That would be Eleanor. One of my friends you threw in quarantine.
Well, she's no use to anyone there. We should let her out. I'll vouch for her.
Agreed. I'll have Ava bring her here.
I want to meet this Eleanor. I'm sure she'll be an asset to our community.
The rest of those guys can contribute, if that's what it takes to get free. They're all pretty handy in a fight.
That's why they're all under guard.
Javi and I have to go meet some people now.
See if we can't prove he's worth the damn. We're gonna take real good care of you. Okay?
Mais elle a trop peur.
Send my apologies, David. I won't be able to make it.
Oh, imagine on l'assassine dans la nuit. Il y a un mec qui vient, il a
I
mis une
just
balle
want
entre
to
la
keep
tête.
an eye on my patient. The others know my vote is with you.
Come on.
Oh, j'ai envie. Oh, j'ai envie de cette histoire.
Remember what I said. When we meet these guys, keep what happened to Mariana to yourself. Badger is one of my guys. And I will handle him.
Ça me va, ça me plaît.
Tant que tu encules Badger, moi je suis chaud.
Moi, tout ce qui arrive à Badger, je suis chaud en fait. Tu peux me dire tout ce que tu veux, je suis chaud.
Max, on y va à moitié. Mais alors Badger, tu peux y aller, frérot.
Ça, Max, il a rien fait parce que c'est le seul qui voulait pas
Non,
qu'on fasse.
c'est pour ça on y va à moitié, parce que vas-y, il a quand même pas non plus. C'est pas non plus jeté devant. Mais,
Ouais,
mais
il
Badger,
aurait,
Badger, frérot,
il aurait pu mettre des
c'est ton homme.
deads, tu vois. Badger s'est excusé hein, quand même. Il a dit je savais pas si c'était ta meuf et tout, excuse-moi et tout. Badger s'est
Non,
excusé.
c'est Max qui
Max,
s'est excusé.
Max qui s'est excusé. Badger, on va voir s'il s'est excusé. On va voir s'il
It
fait les
may
grosses
look
couilles.
pretty, but it's all sugars. There's no substance.
It tastes pretty, Clint. That's all that matters. Ah, the
C'est un
brother.
chef.
Javi, meet the guys. Clint runs food production. The crops you saw, that's him and his people. Jones, our bridge to the outside world. She handles contact with other settlements.
Pleased to meet you,
Ok,
Huffy.
Les chefs aussi.
I trust
c'est
you've been
4 chefs, ils sont
treated
4 chefs.
well.
Ouais,
I
mais
hope you
Steve,
haven't been handled too
Je n'ai
roughly.
pas à me plaindre, j'ai l'impression d'être à
Some
la
of our
maison.
people left
On
their
m'a enfermé dans une
courtesy
cellule.
with their
non, non,
Roll
non, il a
lives.
dit on
sais
se
pas.
discret.
No complaints
Je vais pas
here.
me plaindre.
I get that you guys have a way of doing things.
Thank you. We have to be
Il est où
careful.
Badger? Ramenez-moi
I'm
Badger.
sure you can understand.
C'est Badger le dernier chef.
We were
Oui.
just about to eat. Clint was trying to convince me of the essential superiority of his
Je te dis, ça
cream
va diviser le
spinach
truc en deux.
over my
La daronne, elle va
magnificent
être,
Black
la
Forest
meuf, elle va être
gâteau.
It's no
de
contest.
notre
The
côté, genre
spinach
avec,
has real
merde, comment il
nutritional
s'appelle?
value.
Un frère là.
Javi, take a look at that table.
Comment il s'appelle le frère déjà?
David. Non.
David, ouais.
Ouais.
Genre, je pense qu'il va y avoir une grosse dispute là parmi le truc. Et en mode, la meuf et David, ça, genre sur les 4 chefs, ça va se diviser en deux.
Ouais.
Le mec à droite, il va se rallier à l'autre là,
À Max,
à
son fils
Badger,
de pute.
à Badger et
You
Max.
tell
Et la meuf va
me
se rallier
what
à nous.
you'd rather
Ça va
put in your
faire genre
belly.
une guerre civile, tu vois.
Spinach from Clint's garden or a baked delicacy by
Bonne
yours
impression, bonne
truly?
impression, bonne impression.
Everything looks so good. I want it all.
So polite, David. You sure he's your brother?
Can't trust a diplomat. Always
yeah,
saying one thing and thinking another.
Please,
Ah, tu vois,
make yourself
lui,
comfortable.
Lui, ça se voit, c'est un fils de pute.
lui, il va se, c'est
We
sûr qu'il va
value
se rallier
straight talking, so
avec Badger.
please, forgive me if I seem direct. We're usually pretty strict about who we open our doors to. Your brother's word counts for a lot.
Is that so?
The three of us and Dr. Lingard make all the decisions here, so yeah.
Ok,
People who
non.
choose to stay with us,
Badger,
they have
c'est juste
to
un fils
deal
de
with us
pute.
bossing them around.
Ouais.
Not saying you wouldn't, but it can be an adjustment, especially for the more independent-minded. There's no structure
Badger,
out
c'est
there now.
un mec qui,
People
genre, qui
get
appartient
used to
à
doing as they please.
la meuf.
I always do what I'm told. Ask my older brother.
Bah, la meuf,
You're gonna
la meuf, elle
fit
se
in
charge
well,
des contrats,
I can
des
see
accords
that
avec les autres
already.
campements.
When Joan and I met your brother, he was trying his hand at fruit.
Lui, il se charge de la nourriture, de la culture.
We found him slowly murdering an orchard
Lui,
on
il
the
se charge de la
Shenandoah
sécurité.
River.
Et le dernier, c'est le médecin.
I helped him bring it back to life.
We had a good run there.
For as long as it lasted.
What happened?
What always happens. We trusted the wrong damn people. That's what led us to start this. Wondering what this fine piece of body art is all about? It's our litmus test for loyalty.
I've seen that mark a few times.
You probably saw it at the gates. Right, Javi?
We all took it as a sign of commitment.
Faut pas que je dise ça?
Ben non, Clémentine, frère, on l'a vu sur Clémentine.
Mais non, maintenant.
Clémentine, elle est partie
Non, mais là, en fait,
en...
non. En fait, lui, il parle pas de Clémentine, là, il parle du mec qu'on a tué. Enfin, le mec qu'on
It
doit
was a
tuer.
crude answer to a difficult problem, and it hasn't always worked. Please understand. We had a terrible winter just after we moved here. We lost a great deal. Loved ones who left holes in our lives. Protecting my people from that kind of pain, that's what keeps me awake at night. It turned me into a perpetual night owl. I know it's a lot to ask, but I never want them to have to experience loss like that again.
I know how
Là, faut
you
faire
feel.
attention à ce qu'on dit. Mais la meuf, elle
Seeing
est
the
plus
people
pour
I care
sauver tout le
about
monde.
suffer. It's a terrible feeling. I just want to shield them from it all.
It's a noble aim, one worth
Elle est
fighting
bonne.
for.
Elle est gentille.
Ah,
Max?
non.
What are you doing here?
I sent for him.
Since when does he answer to you?
From what I hear, he's well acquainted with your brother. They exchanged a few bullets outside our walls.
Is that right? Is there bad blood between you and Max?
Nothing that can't be worked out.
On n'est pas très amis. Éloignez-le.
Retenez-moi, retenez-moi. Non, en vrai, dit, on n'est pas très amis, tranquille.
I want to hear that from Javi.
Let's just say I wouldn't invite him to my wedding.
Yeah, I wouldn't fucking go.
Good, because I just said you
On
wouldn't be
dirait
invited.
deux trous du cul qui se battent. Je crois que j'ai envie de venir, moi.
Max, how did this start?
Don't look at him. You have an obligation to tell the truth.
Eh, vas-y, vas-y. Parle, parle, on parle. Parle, on parle. Parle, on parle. Parle, on parle.
We caught him siphoning gas from one of our vehicles.
Max.
Sorry, David.
S'il est
I
honnête, on
know
peut le
he's
défendre. hein,
family,
quoi.
but your brother's a thief.
Is it true?
C'est un menteur. On en a besoin.
Answer.
J'ignorais que c'était à vous.
J'ignorais que c'était à vous, j'ignorais que c'est vrai,
Did you
j'ignorais que
steal
c'était à vous.
gas from us? I was scavenging whatever I could find. I had no idea it belonged to you.
If you just asked, we'd have given it to you. That's not all. Rufus said Clementine ran his truck off the road just to
Ouais, ils
break a
connaissent
free.
Clémentine. Ils connaissent.
Clementine?
A girl we had trouble with in the past. You can always judge a man by the company he keeps. Running with that girl don't look good.
Et vos amis alors?
Fais mentionner
Attaque.
quelqu'un de bien.
Non, non. Moi je pense dans la vie il faut attaque contre attaque, tu vois. Là
Vas-y.
ils critiquent nos amis et vos amis alors? Et vos amis alors? Ils ont tué de sang-froid? Ils ont tué de sang-froid des gens?
I would say not.
Well, let's judge you then. You got some colorful friends.
So what if Javi met up with Clementine? It doesn't mean anything.
We kicked her
Voilà.
out for a reason, David. Now the two of them are thick as thieves.
This is who you're asking us to vouch for, David? Seriously? You know we can't just open our doors to bandits.
Ah lui il saute. On va voir, on va voir.
We're trying to build something different here.
Vous êtes pire?
Je protégeais mon groupe.
Arrêtez de prendre des grandes airs. Ouais, toi, arrête de prendre des grandes airs, toi.
Here.
Je protège mon groupe.
Everything I did out there was to protect my people. That's more than I can say for you.
I'm not sure what you mean.
Javi?
You have something to say?
Vos gars ont tué
Vos gars ont
ma
tué
nièce.
ma nièce.
Vos gars ont tué ma nièce.
One of your people, some asshole called Badger, he put a bullet in a little girl, my niece, David's daughter.
What? Damn it, Javi, I told you I'd handle it.
No,
Ah ouais,
David, this
putain.
cousin fucking dirtbag has the balls to accuse me? He and Badger destroyed an entire town.
That's enough.
No. We need to hear this.
Go on, Javi. Sounds like you've got more.
Ils ont fait rentrer des. Ouais, mais ils ont tout fait, frère.
Ils ont tout fait, gros. Ah, ils
C'est
ont
quoi le pire?
Ils ont empoisonné
Empoisonner
la
la ville,
ville.
je pense, c'est en branle.
Si,
Ils ont fait rentrer des
Si,
rôdeurs
si,
en
parce
vrai
que
de vrai.
la ville, ils savaient même pas qu'elle existait et elle savait que c'était une ville gentille. Ils ont empoisonné la ville.
Vas-y.
Ils ont empoisonné la ville.
More to get off your chest.
They used tear gas. There was
Ah,
nothing left
c'était
of
ça?
Prescott when they were done.
Badger did that, not me.
You were right there next to him.
I tried to get him to stop, I swear.
En vrai de vrai, c'est
David,
vrai.
we warned you about getting your soldiers in line.
We don't know all the facts.
We know enough.
Ah, mais Badger,
She's
c'est un
right,
dessin,
David.
lui.
You've lost control.
I want
C'est
them
qui Badger?
gone.
C'est un mec qui. Genre, c'est un mec qui est sous la garde de David. En fait, là, on a mis David dans la
All
merde.
of them. Take
Ah,
Javi
putain,
and
David.
everyone in the quarantine to the gate. Send them out with enough weapons to defend themselves, but no more.
Oh merde. Je
Je
sais pas,
veux,
je
toi,
sais pas, je sais pas.
tes lunettes de pute. Je m'en bats les
Look,
couilles,
we
toi.
can't fight this. Not now.
Je m'en bats les
Kate and
couilles.
Gabe will be safe here. Your doctor friend too. But the rest of you,
Ah, nous, on n'est pas en
you're
sécurité.
gonna have to do what they say.
Pas famille, c'est inadmissible. Tu te fous de moi. Eh, vas-y, je
I'm
réponds pas.
sorry.
Je pense que le mieux, faut rien dire.
It's out of my hands.
Bande de trous du cul, vous deux. Me touche pas,
Just
toi.
stay alive. Okay?
Merci, heureusement que t'es là. Hein. Oh, le conseil de fou.
Max, ta grand-mère la pute, toi.
Max, j'aurais ta mort, je te le dis. T'as du sang sur les mains, bâtard.
Mais Max, en soi, il a rien fait de mal. On aurait dû garder notre silence. Non,
Ouais,
je
mais
pense qu'on
ça-
serait fait enculer. Non, on a eu raison d'ouvrir notre bouche. On serait fait enculer.
Ah, puis non, on n'est pas des salopes, frère.
Ça y est, ça y est. La saison, le chapitre 2, on s'est fait enculer pendant tout le. Ah, mais. Ah, mais
Non,
dehors.
mais laisse le daron, mais
mais-
il a sa fille.
Mais
You're
non, mais
lucky I
dehors,
don't
c'est dehors.
gouge your fucking eyes out with my thumbs.
Et il nous
You
renvoie
hear
dehors,
me,
il rentre sur la
asshole?
route.
Petite pute, va. Hein?
David packed this.
He did. They said
Start walking.
tac.
David nous aime bien, ça se voit.
What
Ça
about
se voit,
Eleanor?
David nous aime bien.
Walk.
Eat shit. Answer my fucking question. God damn it, Harvey!
Ce n'est pas la faute d'avoir.
This isn't
pas la
her
faute
fault,
d'avoir-
Trip. You're mad at the wrong person.
Bon, bah, il veut pas comprendre, c'est bon, bien fait.
Do not fuck this up.
Ferme ta chatte, toi.
There's a settlement a few miles west of here. Don't come back.
On va revenir, on va foutre le sga, frère. Eh ben alors?
Va te faire enculer,
Sure.
toi.
Did you piss in someone's oatmeal back there? Thought you were gonna play along. We trusted you.
Ah ouais, on avait dit qu'on joue. Allez, vas-y, ferme.
Ay, Dios mío. Do you ever shut up?
Mais c'est pas des zombies, ça.
Occasionally.
On aurait dit un
Let's
dragon,
just
frère.
see what they gave us.
Knowing them, it's probably a butter knife and a stick of gum.
They could have just shot us.
More than once.
Oh, how fucking neighborly.
Mais attends, mais je comprends pas ce que Jésus fait encore là, genre, lui. Ce mec est trop
Je sais pas,
chill.
on a embarqué, on l'a
Mais
mis
non,
dans
mais
la
ce-
merde en fait.
Mais ce mec est trop chill, ce mec n'insulte personne. Il est jamais en colère, il fait tout le temps des petites blagues. Regarde, quand il parle, il dit pas de la merde.
Et c'est nous, on l'a amené là en plus, hein. À la base, il était solitaire.
Ok,
What's that?
petite batte avec un plan
It looks
carré.
like a map. I doubt they give one to everyone. Ava did say David packed the bag.
Why the hell is it tied to a baseball bat?
David's sense of humor was always poorly timed. Looks like they're expanding. Some of these areas are marked clear. Okay. There's Richmond. That helps.
But we can't go back there.
Knowing where it is lets us know where we are. Pretty sure David wants us to go there. And if this is us here, then I
On
think
va
we
retrouver
can head
Clémentine
along this
là-bas.
path.
Je suis
Just gotta
100%.
head north. And to
Clémentine a
find
fait sa
north,
vie toute seule avec
we
un
need to find
gosse,
the North
c'est une
Star.
singerie.
Regarde, on doit trouver l'étoile polaire. Et il est trop chill ce mec. L'étoile polaire, c'est celle qui brille le plus. Celle.
That's
Moi,
it.
j'en sais rien.
We need to go this way. What else is in there?
Not a whole lot. Flashlight. Not enough weapons. No food.
Let's go.
On avait quand même des M4, des pistolets. Hein.
Trip, come
Ouais.
on. What's up?
I can't lose anyone else. I'm telling you, I can't. Prescott, Conrad, maybe Eleanor.
C'est good, toi.
Knock that shit off, Trip. You're better than that.
We'll see.
Oh, lui, il va devenir Kenny, il va
Sorry,
casser
man.
les couilles, lui.
Rough day, to say the least. I know you got my back, and I got yours.
Of course.
Non, mais après,
After
c'est normal. Il perd sa fille, il perd un ami, il perd une deuxième amie, il perd sa base qu'il a construit. C'est assez logique, tu vois.
M'en bats les couilles.
C'est qui ce personnage? J'ai l'impression qu'il est
I
intouchable,
gotta
ce
tell you,
personnage.
man.
J'espère
I
qu'il
thought
reste en vie longtemps.
You and Kate were, you know. I wouldn't have guessed she was married to not you.
Tout le monde pense du coup qu'on était en
I ain't
couple avec
judging,
Kate.
mind you. I'm just
Ouais, mais non, faut
Curious.
dire à personne que, genre,
What's the
on n'est
story?
pas ensemble.
C'est parce que
Ain't my business, I know.
ce qui se passe
But
de la famille.
what have we
Elle est
got
de ma
to
famille,
lose
c'est tout,
out
voilà,
here?
c'est tout.
She's my brother's wife. She's family. End of story.
Come on, man. You're not a dumbass.
Il a capté le
When
jeu.
it comes to these kind of things, the story never really ends. Not for everyone, at least. It's always a mess, ain't it?
What's that?
Who you love, who loves you, if they're one and the same or otherwise. You know what I mean? Just when you think you got everything figured out, boom, heart goes ass over tea kettle.
Well, if it wasn't messy, it wouldn't be important, right?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Just saying, man. 3 things that never hide forever. The sun, the moon, and the truth. Eleanor and I, we were... something. At some point. But nothing now. I respect her wishes. I really do. I just wish my heart respected mine.
Ah, mais il est amoureux d'Eleonard?
Mais ça...
J'ai pas lu en fait, j'ai lu à moitié.
Jesus got his eye on something.
Moi, j'ai pas lu du tout.
What you got for us, man?
Listen,
Oh la horde
tell
de
me that
zombies.
isn't what I think it is. About a quarter mile out. Heading the same way we are.
Well, we could hit walkers any second.
On les entend, ils
We
sont à
better
400
scoot.
mètres.
Mais avec eux, tu marches, t'es full serein.
Je te jure. Bah, c'est pas si serein que ça finalement.
Look alive, people. I got him.
T'es serein, t'es serein. Je te jure, t'es serein.
Ping.
Batter up, fuckface.
Come on, man, move your ass.
Il a servi à rien, lui, il a fait 0 kill.
You want a piece of this?
Les gars. Les gars, c'était une blague, vous pouvez venir. Hein. Les gars. Vous êtes pas partis quand même. C'est maintenant la gueule.
Et le bébé, il est où?
Mais on
Je
peut
cherche
pas
toujours.
les-
Careful with this.
Putain, mais gros, tu me dragues? Tu me dragues en fait. Ah, une drague. C'est quoi qu'est-ce que t'as fait à tes joues, Clémentine? Tu
We're
me dragues.
even now.
I thought you were getting out of here.
I was. The walkers are everywhere. I had to cover myself in walker guts to get away.
Come on. We're heading to a factory nearby. Should be safe.
I thought you were going to Richmond. New Frontier kick you out? Doesn't surprise me.
Not all of us. Kate and Gabe are still there. With David.
David?
Qui David?
That asshole's still around.
This is
Ah, voilà,
gonna
c'est ça.
sound really weird, but he's my brother.
What? Wait, this place we're going? David sent you there?
Supposed to be safe.
Clem.
You can't trust him, Javi. I learned that the hard way. I never wanted to need people again, but I had nowhere else to go. The New Frontier gave me this and made me one of them. They promised they'd help him. That turned out to be a lie.
Oh, le flashback.
Ça, c'est de la frappe par contre.
Le truc des flashbacks, j'aime bien.
Ouais.
Ava and I were in this unit together back in the army, and believe it or not,
We're gonna get you the medicine you need, AJ. I don't care what they say.
more muscular than I am. Anyway, this dude starts talking shit to her. Well, I'll let you take it. No, no, you didn't. That's right, yeah, man.
Oh, but yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, no, go ahead.
Huh?
You tell this part. This is your story.
Il,
Je sais pas.
il va se réveiller en rôdeur.
Faire taire, parler à IG, fredonner une chanson. On peut pas aller faire fredonner une chanson là.
Just like that little guy.
Il va tellement se réveiller en rôdeur.
C'est une frontière.
Ah oui, c'est notre frontière. On va se faire choper la jambe, tu vas voir.
Hope I don't have to use that. Here it is.
C'est ça.
It would have to be a shot.
C'est-à-dire qu'ils ont toujours le bébé. À cause de
Bah
ça,
oui,
ils
je
ont gardé
fais
le
la
bébé.
famille.
Mais ils ont
C'est
récupéré le
pas
bébé.
honteux.
Ouais, mais ouais, j'avais pas compris comme ça.
Clem,
Dr. Lingard, what's the matter with you?
I'm fine.
Docteur Lingard.
Ouais, c'est le docteur.
Clem, please don't. The vancomycin. That's the last of it. It'll be wasted on AJ.
Tu ne sauverais pas AJ?
I told you. It could save someone's life if used right. It's too valuable to throw away.
It's the only thing that can save him.
Except it can't. I'm sorry, Clem. I tried everything. I really did.
This will help him get better.
Nothing can help your boy now. Clem, put the drugs back before anyone finds out you took them.
On lui donne la petite picouse ou pas?
Ah frère. Je sais même pas il sort d'où lui, Docteur Lingard.
C'est le docteur qu'on a vu à la prison. On a vu à l'hôtel là qui soignait la meuf.
Non, mais comment il connaît Clem?
Mais parce que Clem était déjà dans le groupe. C'est juste que, en gros, Clem a demandé de soigner leur
Ah,
psy. Ils ont
ok.
dit non, va te faire enculer, Clem. Donc là, c'est soit on fait une piqûre, mais il avertit tout le monde, soit on repose le médicament bien gentiment. Mais j'ai l'impression qu'il est en train de nous mentir. Parce que regarde ses yeux rouges d'enculé. Il a les mêmes yeux que notre petit Alvin Junior. Donc j'ai l'impression que, en fait, il veut juste se la garder rien que pour lui.
Ouais,
On fait une piqûre?
comme tu veux.
Je n'ai aucune idée. Mais il a dit ça fera rien à Alvin. Alvin est
Attends, parce
condamné.
que ça veut dire que lui quoi qu'il arrive, il est en vie, Lingard. Vu qu'on l'a revu.
Ouais.
Donc avec ou sans piqûre, il a sauvé. Il a survécu.
Mais moi, dans la logique, faut qu'on repose le médicament. Parce que regarde, ça se fait pas, mais Alvin, saison finale, est en vie.
Vas-y.
Donc ça-
You know what they do to thieves here.
Ah, ils font des trucs méchants aux voleurs.
Still time.
I'm sorry, goofball. He's right. This will only make things worse.
You shouldn't be over here. What is that in your hand? What are you doing? Please tell me this isn't what it looks like. You know these
Je les remets en place.
supplies
Ouais,
are
ouais,
off
dis ça,
limits.
dis ça.
Don't worry about it. I'm already putting them back.
Oh, Clem. How could you?
I said I'm putting them back.
Yeah, right. She's a goddamn thief.
C'est enculé, toi, lâche-moi, bon. Oh, la boulette.
What's
Oh,
going
la
on here?
boulette.
We caught her trying to take those drugs.
What the hell, Clem? We already did everything we could for that boy. How could you betray our trust like this? After everything we've done for you?
You say that, but if AJ dies, it's on me. I'm the one who's left alone, not you.
So that gives you the right to ransack our fucking stores?
Easy, David.
You were told those drugs wouldn't help. That waste, That'll cost someone's life down the road. Someone in this camp. Someone who contributes to our survival. We opened our arms to you, made you one of us. This is how you repay us? By stealing? By putting yourself before the group? You're done here. You broke our rules, Clem. Violated our trust. There's no place for you in the New Frontier.
That's not fair. I tried to do the right thing.
If we can't trust you, we can't have you around.
Maybe we should give her another chance.
Don't fight me on this
Oh,
Paul.
lui, il est tout
You know
frozen,
what
lui.
Joan would say if she were here. I'm sorry, Clem. You brought this on yourself.
Come on, AJ. We don't need this place anyway.
Uh-uh. He stays.
Hein?
Can't take him with you.
Ouais, hop.
You're cruel. You don't even want to take care of him.
Clem, he's in no condition to travel.
Let him go, Clem. He'll only drag you down out there. No! You monsters! What about this? What was it all for? Don't forget, I'm one of you.
Not anymore.
C'est quoi ta femme avec Javier? On va la baiser comme ça. On va la baiser. On va
Let
la
her say
baiser.
goodbye. We owe her that much, at least.
Fine. You heard her. Say what you need to say, then you go.
Mon envie de lui cracher un molar dans sa gueule. Mais ça
Please
risque,
don't
on
make
va
me
éviter.
regret this.
I love you, goofball. I love you.
Come on, Clem.
Vas-y, je peux lui dire un message ou pas? Va te faire enculer. T'as des flashbacks à la au jeu d'horreur qu'on avait fait avec Samy en décembre là.
I thought
Si tu vois quel
AJ
flashback
would
je
be
parle.
the one. Finally.
Pas du tout.
Si, au petit down. Non, au petit
The one
Lounge,
who
je sais pas.
didn't
Until Dawn.
die.
Ah ouais, le jeu de-
Je sais pas ce que c'est.
Éteindre.
Étreindre. Je sais pas ce que c'est.
Chambre-
genre, mais-
chambre-
Clem, I'm so sorry.
My little goofball. That's what I get for trusting other people. Again.
This is what David circled on the map.
Our smelly friends are back.
Lui, il les appelle nos amis les plus lents.
If too many of them push against this, it might give. Gotta find a way in.
Mais je préfère pas le perso, il marche aussi vite.
En même temps, là, ça commence à marcher, les courir, bon.
Here they come.
I can... fuck! I can raise it a little, but something's wrong with it. Jammed or some shit.
Maybe we can force it open.
We're gonna have to. Locked. Shit.
Look for another way in. It's our only chance.
Come on, man. This thing ain't as strong as we thought. Hurry it up.
I don't hear anything in there.
Good enough for me. Pick up the pace, Hobby.
Well, there's a car with no wheels. Shit! God damn it!
Wesh, le zombie grimpe.
It's not holding! Get that door open!
That's it. Won't go any higher. Everyone get in.
C'est bon, il a le plus important c'est rare. Le reste, bon.
Non, il y a Jésus. Non, non. J'ai
Il a vraiment du faux ce bâtard. Hein.
Il a dit vas-y, vas-y.
C'est bon, ok.
Vas-y, meurs, c'est pas mon problème.
Ça va tellement se fermer, mais on le sait que ça va se fermer devant lui. Ah non.
Close the door.
Hurry! Get that goddamn jack out of there!
Ah, mais on va pas pouvoir.
On va laisser notre jambe dans ce truc. Voilà,
Damn, man.
incroyable.
That was too close.
Hopefully that door holds him.
Escalader un conteneur pour pied.
Hey, I'm here. David!
Hein?
Don't you dare let that fucking baby killer in.
Hein?
Don't make me do this.
Clem.
Don't do it, Javi.
He has a son, Clem. Just like you did.
Il a pas tué ton gosse.
The fuck?
Open it.
Ah, merci Jésus. David, Clémentine, David, enchanté.
What the hell are you doing here?
Ask your brother.
Ah, ça
Par contre,
She's trouble.
Clem est avec moi.
Clem est avec moi. Clem, frérot.
She's with me.
Clem,
I owe her my
c'est
life.
notre sang. C'est
She
notre
told
chair.
us some pretty rancid stuff about you, man.
What did she say?
That you left her to die.
No, we kicked her out.
A little girl, all alone out there. Do you think Mariana could have survived that?
We had rules. Clem broke them. I would have done the same to anybody.
Non, tu
She knew what would happen. Don't feel sorry for her.
To anybody, huh? You broke the rules for Kate and Gabe.
And I'll accept the consequences. Unlike her.
Did he suffer? Please. I have to know.
Il est pas mort.
No. I wouldn't have let him. But I didn't have to worry about that. He lived, Clem. He lived.
But how? He was dying. Clem said so.
AJ bounced back. He was stronger than we thought. It was a miracle.
You're lying.
Il ne mentirait pas.
I don't know, Clem. I don't think he'd lie about this.
You don't know him like I do.
Clementine, please, I'm telling the truth.
Where? Where is AJ now?
I don't know for sure.
But he's in Richmond?
Dr. Lingard took care of the boy. He'll know how to find him.
Then I'm going back.
None of us are going anywhere until the walker's clear.
What's your plan, David?
We used to store a vehicle up this way. Provisions. I came to get you set up.
And?
And say goodbye. I don't want you to worry about Kate and Gabe. I'll take care of my family from now on. They'll be safe with me.
C'est également ma famille.
Not happening, David. They're my family as much as yours.
Is that what you think? Last I checked, Kate was my wife and Gabe was my son.
C'est ça ou quoi?
Shit!
Board it up.
We need something to buffer.
Il a trop de
Something
flow.
heavy.
Ah si, Jésus, gros. Ouais, je peux... Tu commences à valoir une clémentine. Hein.
Honnêtement, dans la hiérarchie, là, c'est Clémentine.
Jésus.
Ouais, et après, ça se joue entre David et lui.
Where'd you find this?
Over there.
David commence à me casser les couilles quand même.
Ouais, David.
Show me.
Ouais, il est parti où, Clémentine? Ah, il s'est échappé.
What the hell is all this?
Mais t'as jamais loot ou quoi, enculé? C'est un bâtiment où
These
tu
could
nous
come in
envoies?
handy. Don't want to just take them, but
I might be going crazy, but I think these came from Prescott. That's Phantom Punch.
I don't understand how all this got here.
Like you don't know.
Hey, none of this stuff was here before. I don't have a damn thing to do with it. We've only ever kept a few basic supplies.
Ouh, c'est ton groupe qui a fait ça, hein? Hein? Vu que Kate et Gabi sont de ta famille.
Here for scouts, for emergencies.
Your people looted this stuff from Prescott, David.
Come on, we can't know that.
who else knew about this place?
Your outfit is the only one that gutted my town.
This is bigger than just Prescott. There's spoils from other towns here, too. Towns I heard got raided a while back. There's stuff here from the kingdom.
Goddamn herd's really on us. Who the fuck are you? Wouldn't be in this mess if you hadn't gone all trigger happy on David's family.
Attends, on ne serait pas dans ce prétexte?
Badger, c'est un traître.
Badger et il y a Max qui parle. C'est la voix de Max.
C'est des traîtres.
C'est la voix de Max.
Putain, les bâtards.
I'd do that little bitch again just to see her head pop.
Je tuerai
You
le
sure as hell are stupid, ain't you?
You only just realizing that now?
I told you. Joan is on the warpath. Last thing we need is people getting wind of all this stuff.
Look at all this shit. We're frickin' rolling in it.
I'll give you that.
Just glad we found some more smokes. That shit is the new gold.
On dit rien?
Non, on dit rien.
Parce que et si on faisait exploser vos crânes, me donne vraiment envie.
Shame you can't take it with you.
David?
I thought better of you, Max. I really did.
David, come on, man. We're a unit.
Oh, comment je lui ai mis une balle dans la jambe. Ah, les gars, après, vous avez pas de shoot. Au moins qu'il y en ait qui prennent une balle, quoi.
Mais toi, je vais te baiser ta mère.
Non.
Get Badger.
Clémentine va nous sauver la vie. Fils de pute, mais comment c'est quoi ce temps de réaction que je dois avoir là? Ah bah oui. C'est quoi ces QT? Tu vas pas venir celle-là. Et celle-là tu vas pas venir.
Moi je voulais pas venir.
Parle sur la troisième encore. Hein? Non, je suis
Oula.
Attends, ils veulent nous tuer là par contre.
Non,
Je te jure, ça c'est une exécution ça.
Allez, j'appelle Clem, elle arrive.
I'd have shoved that gas can down your throat and lit you up like a can.
Il déteste David,
Clem.
fils de pute.
3, 2, 1. Ah non, on va se sortir nous-mêmes.
Allô? Je te jure, j'appuie sur ma touche D. Je sais pas, mais c'était quoi? Attends, mais. C'était pas la touche D, c'était la touche Q. C'est en fait. Mais précisé, mais attends. La touche D, c'est pour la droite.
Il fallait aller à gauche, là, frérot.
Mais en fait, je me suis mis, je crois, du point de vue de Javi.
I'd have shoved that gas can down your throat and lit you up like a candle. But this'll do.
Ouais, c'est juste. Faut que je m'en taille. Voilà. Y'a plus de balles, je m'en bats les couilles, finis-le.
Fucking Garcias. Oh, you took my goddamn guts out.
Ça, c'est pour Mariana.
This is for Mariana. She was a sweet little girl, just minding her own business.
Finis la batte et tu dis ah ouais, tu peux transformer encore en zombie, j'ai pas fini le taf.
Not anymore. Fuck her. And fuck you too.
Finis-le. Et laisse-le-moi le QTE. Laisse-moi en QTE, s'il te plaît.
Get it over with.
Ah, mais j'avais pas le temps pour le faire.
What are you waiting for?
Hein?
We've gotta move.
Ouh.
Brise-le, la tête de ma mère.
C'est ta pute.
Wow, comment ça résonne encore, vas-y, nique-le.
Il est content.
Nique-le, sa mère.
Appuie sur lui pour que tu
Voilà.
as enfoncé son crâne. C'est cul, bande.
Ah, voilà.
C'est bon.
That's enough, man. He's gone.
Un dernier. Encore.
For God's sake, Bobby.
On arrête, non.
Goddamn hold of yourself.
On arrête. C'était 2 de trop là, c'était. Ouais.
Allez, toi aussi, tu vas y passer, Max.
He's all yours.
Stop. Please.
Non, lui c'est un bon, lui.
Raiding.
Attends, lui il déteste. Attends, il déteste notre frère ou pas, lui?
Je sais pas, mais c'est un traître,
Looting.
hein. Il a
You
failli quand
betrayed
même.
who we are. You betrayed Richmond.
Come on, David. This is Richmond.
What's that supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean?
I ain't got nothing to say.
There's no use holding out, Max. The best you can do is make things right.
We weren't doing it without support inside Richmond.
Voilà, tu vois, c'est sûr.
Joan
T'as
was
les
in on
utiliser.
it.
Je sais
We
plus qui
did
c'est,
it on
lui,
her
mais.
orders. She said we needed it to survive.
Joanne, c'est qui?
I wanted to let you in,
Bah,
but
je
she
trouve que c'est
told
elle,
me
j'imagine,
you'd
c'est
never
l'autre,
go
pardon.
for it.
La patronne?
I'm
Ouais.
sorry.
It is too late for sorry, you backstabbing shitbag.
Please.
Ah, c'est bon, il est là pour faire, maintenant, tue-le.
I'll help you. I'll tell everyone in Richmond
Non.
about this. I'll help you
Il a
get back
trahi une fois,
inside.
frérot, tue-le.
Imagine, mais attends. C'était qui? C'était Joanne?
Mais c'est la vieille, celle qui gère les contrats avec le monde extérieur, je sais pas quoi.
Ah, c'est elle.
Voilà.
Et ta personnage est une antagoniste. Antagoniste, c'est dire méchant, ça. Eh gros, attends. Il voulait pas faire de mal, je te rappelle, aux gens. Il voulait pas faire des singeries. Là, il a pas critiqué David. Il a critiqué David ou pas? Non, il a pas critiqué. C'était l'autre qui détestait David. On a appris. C'est un traître, certes. Mais le traître, en réalité, c'est qui? C'est Johan. Si on
Ah
le
ouais.
gardait pour
Vas-y.
baiser. Moi, je pense.
Expose her to the others.
Parce que si on le tue, c'est trop bizarre.
Maybe he'll be useful.
Thank you.
Ouais, ça par contre, tu mérites.
Ouais. C'est pas lui qui a tué Mariana.
I needed that.
C'est... On s'en est occupé, celui qui a tué Mariana.
Ouais, quoi.
Ouais, on s'en est occupé un peu. J'aurais pu continuer un peu plus. Et Clémentine? Ah, Réseau, c'est Clémentine, les deux
Where's
ensemble.
Lonnie?
Bah, les deux, faut croire-moi
He
que tu
gave us
rien.
the slip. Hightailed it back towards Richmond.
Mais Richmond,
Son
c'est
of
où?
a bitch. If he warns Joan,
Wasn't there one more?
Il est mort.
Oh.
what? It's good riddance. That son of a bitch killed Mariana.
Did that make you feel better?
I wouldn't
Ouais,
shed any
ouais.
tears.
Carrément,
Maybe I'm
carrément.
shedding them for your brother.
You're damn right it did. Bastard deserved everything he got.
Be careful, Javi. Act like a beast. You risk what makes you human.
Il a raison.
Don't
Jésus,
become
il a
a
des
thing
bons,
you
il a des
hate.
bons paroles.
Javi's earned my trust. And if any of you had any brains, you'd say the same. I'm sure you did the right thing. Sometimes there's just no other way to make things right. My friend took a crowbar to someone once.
My people need to know about what we found here.
What about your missing friends?
I'm surprised you care. Human life isn't exactly high on your list of priorities. Don't have time to keep looking. They'd want me to get home and warn them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Sooner the better.
Ça
Tu
se
te changes d'avis.
Ah, tu veux.
You sure you won't stay? We need your help.
So do others. I won't forget about you. You have my word.
It's a shitstorm out there, man. I don't see how you're gonna make it.
One step at a time.
Lui tout seul, lui solo.
We need to get back to
Il reste en
Richmond
cul.
fast. I have loved ones in there.
We both do.
We all do.
I gotta break Eleanor out of there. Once she's safe, I'm gonna tell her how I feel. You said it yourself. If it ain't messy, it wouldn't be important, right?
We're gonna need allies in Richmond. Lingard and Clint, they're our best bet. If I can get to them before Joan does, maybe we have a chance. I know I was ready to say goodbye before, but I can't do this without you. Can I count on you? I won't be able to pull this off myself.
Tu m'en devras une, tu m'en
Je
devras
m'en
une.
aurais- C'est la phrase en
But
haut
I
à droite et
expect
pas au vol.
first-class treatment
Eh
when
bah,
we're done. No more quarantine for me or my friends. Just the red fucking carpet.
Of course. Whatever you need. Let's just get this done. If Lonnie raises the alarm, they'll be waiting for us at the gates. There's a way in round back that'll get us around any sentries. We can take Badger's truck.
I doubt he'll mind.
Come on, we gotta get on the move. Herd's closing in.
On finit l'épisode et après je peux me coucher.
Ouais. Mais pas besoin de 2, je reviens. C'est bon.
Ouais, je sais pas d'où il sort ça.
I'm thinking this will go a lot better if we split up. A group this big can't exactly sneak around, particularly if they're expecting us.
Eleanor's in there somewhere. I'm going after her.
Lingard brought her to the clinic. That's your best bet. Javi, that's where you'll go to get Kate and Gabe. Then bring them to my house. It's the one with the raven on the hitching post. We'll all meet up there. After I pay a little visit to Joan. Stay out of sight. They'll be keeping an eye out for us.
As soon as I can get Kate and Gabe, we'll see you back at the house.
Roger that.
I'll scout ahead.
What about you, Clem?
I'm pretty sure I've still got some friends in the New Frontier. If they know where AJ's being held, they'll tell me. As soon as I find him, I'm taking that truck and getting the hell out of here.
Well, you are owed a vehicle.
Keep an eye on David. He may be playing nice, but I'd still watch your back.
He's my brother, Clem. That still means something to me.
Just don't get trapped by it. But you're no dummy.
Ah oui, par
Your
contre,
instincts have been
la
right
moindre
most of
seconde
the
où David nous
time.
met un couteau dans le dos,
I know
Clémentine,
you'll
je suis
make the right
100%
call.
derrière toi.
Mais je suis déjà 100% derrière Clémentine, moi, frérot.
See you when I see
Putain,
you.
Jésus, il nous a quittés. Fais chier.
Il va revenir avec sa bande.
C'est le mec le plus cheat. Vraiment.
David
On a
said to
toujours pas
hang a
revu
ride
Lily.
up at that corner. Seems clear so far.
Let's move.
Ni Lily, ni Krista, ni Molly. On a... Je trouve ils sont tous dans la même bande avec Jésus.
Ah oui. Non mais en fait Lily je crois c'est on le verra peut-être chapitre 4. Enfin quatrième jeu. Je crois, hein, je suis pas sûr. Ouais il me semblait dans mes souvenirs. Mais je crois, il me semblait dans les souvenirs on l'a recreusé avec Kenny, mais bon Kenny est mort donc
You know Javi Garcia? Used to play shortstop for Baltimore.
That Javier Garcia? That's who we're looking for?
Yeah, that Javier Garcia. Anyway, sounds like some paranoid horse shit. Guy's a fucking ball player.
There's the medical center.
Putain, on était sur un joueur de
We go
baseball
in,
pro.
we get Elle, we get Kate and Gabe, we get out.
Oh.
What about our friends there? Doesn't exactly look like a welcoming committee.
All right, let's hang out here for a while. Smoke break.
Bah oui, bah oui.
Damn it. We need a distraction. How's your throwing arm?
Une fenêtre en haut, quoi.
The hell was that?
Let's check it out.
You go first.
Still got it.
Ouais, je pense juste on sauve tout le monde, se rejoint à la maison et après la maison c'est fini je pense, un truc comme ça.
Ouais. Mais j'ai peur qu'il chope David, il le prenne en otage.
Find Elle. Tell her we have to move Kate.
You got it. I'll meet you here.
Javi!
Chut, ta gueule, ta gueule.
We thought you were... I was super worried.
We have to leave, Gabe. Now.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
They said you guys were denied entry.
It's true. We're on borrowed time. The people who run this place, they're ruthless. We have to move.
Where's my dad? Is he coming? Javi!
Don't worry, buddy. We're gonna go meet up with him.
Excuse me?
David has a house in town. He thinks we'll be okay there.
Then let's go.
Wait, Javi? While you were gone, this woman, Joan, came by. I felt like she was sizing me up. It was creepy. She implied David was in trouble, like he was no longer in charge. She kept saying Gabe and I didn't need to worry, but it only
On
made
peut pas
me
lui
worry more.
faire confiance.
Hein?
On peut pas lui faire confiance.
Joan's a shrewd operator. You can't believe a word she says.
That doesn't exactly put me at ease.
It shouldn't. The
Elle
thugs who
doit s'en
shot you
rassurer.
answer to her. She ordered raids on other settlements.
Joan,
We found all this stuff from Prescott.
peut-être c'est le
She was
docteur qui va être avec
behind
nous. Du coup.
Prescott?
David's rounding up allies to confront her right now.
Javi, I know you wanted to try it here, but this isn't our fight. We already lost Mari because of these people. Now, the whole place is
Le
about to
combat de
become a
David est
war
notre
zone.
combat.
It's David's fight, Kate. And we're in it with him.
He needs our help.
Wesh, ton mari,
You're
Marie.
not hearing me. This is not our problem.
What's going on?
Arrête de crier.
Tripp said we had to move to David's house.
We're not doing that. We're getting the fuck out of Richmond before it's too late.
Getting out?
On n'abandonne pas David.
You shouldn't even be sitting up.
What? What about my dad? We can't just leave him.
Gabe, we don't even know who he is anymore.
Ah, vas-y, ferme ta
We
chatte.
have to get away before he gets us all killed.
But he won't know where we are.
On reste avec
Again.
le
We're
daron.
gonna go to David's
On
house.
reste.
Javi,
It's the best bet we got. It's all we got.
Vas-y, je commence pas à nous faire tes caprices de merde. Hein.
I've got a gun in the room they gave me. Sounds like we might need it.
I'll come with you.
Je l'ai pas pris avant de
We'll
venir.
catch up with you guys.
Sounds good.
don't.
Je suis féministe. Allez, débrouille-toi.
It's okay, buddy. She's mad at me. Not you.
No, it's not that. It's... You'll think it's stupid.
What's up?
I just wish Clementine was still with us.
We ran into her.
Really? I hope she came back with you. I wish she was around.
Ah,
I
vas-y, c'est bon, c'est
know.
bon.
She's tough, but... I don't know.
Clem aurait besoin d'un ami, on
Be
s'en
nice to
fout.
hear she's alright.
If we run
Non,
into
moi
her,
je m'en fous pas là.
she
Ça,
could
C'est les
really use a
relations
friend right
Clémentine
now.
qui jouent.
Yeah,
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
me too.
Gab, tu meurs dans 2 épisodes.
We need to go.
Okay.
Non, mais on le sait très bien que, bon, avec toutes les personnes qu'on parle,
Oui, il y en a qui ont mouru.
juste là déjà, j'ai l'impression. Pourquoi il marche d'une manière pas sur deux? C'est ça qui me fait.
You know this is what David lives for, right?
What?
A brawl. I only ever saw him truly happy when he was talking about being at war.
Putain, faut que je me rase.
The world going to shit? I guarantee. That was the best day of his life.
We're in the thick of it, Kate. If he thrives in this shit, that only improves our chances.
Just because he likes it doesn't mean he's good at it.
Took your damn time.
Elle est au courant de nous?
Come on, we have to hurry.
Wait a second. David told us to come here.
He's talking to the others now. Trust me, shit's about to fly. He's gonna need our help. We gotta get on the move. He's waiting for us. There's no more time to lose.
J'ai rien compris.
J'ai pas suivi non plus. À part ça, non.
Je vais commencer par protéger ma famille.
Get them to safety first. Then we can go.
This is the best way to protect them. They'll be safe here, don't worry.
Moi j'ai l'impression qu'on n'a pas le choix.
I'll come back for you. Both of you.
You better.
Crime et châtiment. Ça ne sonne pas bien le chapitre 6. C'est fini?
Non.
Ah. Il reste plus qu'un
I don't
chapitre.
like your tone, David. If this is about your brother,
Don't pretend like you don't know what this is about. You've got a lot to answer for.
me, you must be joking.
Javi! Kate and Gabe? Safe. I knew I could count on you, brother. We're gonna fix this. Together.
Je n'avais pas raté
Wouldn't
ça.
miss it. Now let's see some fireworks. What's going on here?
We're just getting started.
You smuggled your brother into Richmond despite what we agreed. Clearly, you have no respect for any of us.
Quel respect elle parle,
This
celle-là?
is
Vas-y, il veut pas
serious,
balancer
David.
la max
You
aux
know
autres.
we
Ferme-la.
can't let
Tu
Non, mais
mérites aucun respect,
Let's
ferme-la,
go.
comme tu veux.
Ah, tu
You
fais-
don't deserve respect. Not after the things you've done.
What things? What's
Voilà,
this
il est pas
all
au courant.
about?
She's been
Max.
ordering raids
Max,
on
maintenant,
peaceful
Max.
communities, sending your men to murder and loot.
Raiding? Joan, is this true?
Mais gars,
He's pointing the finger at everyone. First Badger, now me.
That's a
On a
serious
gardé un
charge.
otage jusqu'à maintenant,
You come in
exprès.
swinging, you better have proof.
Here's our proof. This lowlife was part of the raids.
Well, Max, what do you have to say?
pour te tuer. Il n'est pas trop tard pour te tuer.
Non, c'est ton signal max, ça veut dire quoi?
Bah en mode, c'est ton signal, Max. Max, tu vois bien comment elle est. Ouvre ta bouche.
Ne te laisse pas te faire peur, je sais pas.
Ouais,
en
ne
vrai.
te laisse pas te faire peur.
Don't be afraid of her, Max. We've got your back.
Il faut pas qu'il soit con, bah oui, frère, on est tous autour de lui, elle peut rien faire, elle.
Me,
What's up?
Badger, and Lonnie, we ran the ops. Off Jones' orders.
God damn it,
Voilà.
Max.
I'm washing my hands of this, man.
Joan. How could you?
Elle fait quoi là? Elle veut le baiser? Elle boit.
Non, elle boit, tranquille.
The real question is, how could I not? What would happen to us without your fertilizer, Clint? Or your pills, Paul? Do you think our community would survive? I did what I had to ensure that we would. It wasn't easy.
Pourquoi garder ça secret?
Ouais, je pense que c'est le truc.
If you had such good reasons, why keep it a secret?
I took the hard decisions on myself. All of you remember the winter. How much we lost. Friends. Lovers.
Les amants.
Children. I made a promise I would never let that happen again. The raids were just to keep us going till Richmond reached sustainability. We're so close. So close to our dream. Do we really...
Par contre, va te faire enculer l'engrais, on peut faire avec ça avec du compost. Hein.
want to risk it all by fighting
Voilà, donc,
amongst
arrête de nous prendre pour des cons.
ourselves? We should all be on the same side of this, David. On Richmond's side.
Jaune délire.
Surely you...
Jaune délire. Mais
Non, je
le
ne veux
faut.
pas vivre comme ça. Je ne veux pas vivre comme ça.
Ouais, mais ça, c'est trop gentil, frère. Nous, on veut que ça parte en couille. La jaune, sinon, on la connaît.
En vrai, elle a pas tort. Mais bon, tu pilles à d'autres gens pour devenir plus riche et tu les laisses pauvres.
You can see that.
She's fucking delusional. Building a dream on the blood of innocents.
You don't have to tell me, brother. We lost Mariana to those raids. How many others lost their kids too?
I'm sorry, David. It breaks my heart about your child.
Si m'empêche de sortir une arme et de lui mettre une balle
It's
dans la tête.
something I'm going to have to live with.
Peut-être le bouc qui a une AK derrière elle.
Ouais, je viens juste de le voir. Sacré accord.
Take them.
Belle bite.
What the hell?
Put them in a cell until I can figure out what to do with them.
Don't you fucking touch me. That's an order!
They don't take orders from you anymore, David. You're done here.
Hein? Hein?
You put yourself before the group. We can leave. Please, just let us.
Paul, come on!
I'm sorry. My hands are tied.
This is not over,
Lui, il est
Joe.
vraiment Frozen
I
H24.
have
lui.
friends here. Allies.
Putain, je vais te baiser ta mère, toi. Toi, tu vas souffrir, hein. Hein?
Il y a une voiture là. Ah ok, non, c'est pas une voiture ça.
Montrez-nous nos choix vite. Là, ça m'énerve, ça m'énerve, ça m'énerve, ça m'énerve. J'aurais dû lui insulter sa grand-mère. Vous honorez la demande de votre frère. Des joueurs avaient réclamé justice pour le meurtre de Maria. Ouais, bah on n'avait pas honoré la parole de notre frère. On est 65% à avoir ouvert notre bouche quand... Genre on a ouvert notre bouche, on a dit Maria est morte de votre faute.
Ouais.
65 personnes, logique pour ma part.
Ouais.
Vous essayez de sauver Edgy. Vous êtes 15% d'avoir pas essayé. Ouais mais...
Nous on est intelligents.
Ouais, 15% on est smart. Tu vois. Comment Badger est-il mort? Des joueurs avaient fracassé le crâne, des joueurs ont accordé à Badger une mort rapide, des joueurs ont laissé Badger se transformer, des joueurs ont laissé quelqu'un d'autre tuer Badger. Alors 5.3, je sais pas comment c'est possible, 5.3. Une mort rapide, ok. Et nous on a fait une mort lente. Pff, on est grotesque.
Bah la mort lente en soi c'est de le laisser se transformer. Hein.
On est 56% à l'avoir laissé. Moi je pense que l'avoir laissé en vie, Max va nous aider.
Ouais.
Il peut être reconnaissant. Qui êtes-vous supportant en fin de compte? Les joueurs avaient respecté le plan de David. Ah, il y a des gens qui avaient respecté le plan de elle.
T'es shade de fou là pour le prochain épisode.
Je veux dire, il parle de quoi le prochain épisode? Ouh. Plus fort que tout, alors que sa communauté est menacée de l'intérieur, Javier doit nouer des alliances inattendues pour protéger les siens. Ouf. Excuse-moi, mais là, ça me plaît là. Là, on va, ouais.
Là je crois on va pouvoir discuter là.
Là, du coup, c'est eux qui ont fait les deux premiers? La série en 5 épisodes émouvantes, acclamée par le critique et récompensée par plus de 80 prix Game of the World. Vous incarnez 90, hein. C'est énorme. Hein. Là, ils sont... J'ai pas envie de le faire, j'ai pas envie de le faire.
Il nous reste combien de jeux là après celui-là?
1. Il reste 2 épisodes et puis un jeu.
7 épisodes en tout.